It's so cold. Got the red cardinal here, the boy and the girl. Cardinal, the male and the female. Sorry you hear the water dripping in the background, but it's cold as hell outside. Hell has frozen over today. So leaving my water running a little bit. You can see the male and the female. They keep flipping back and forth. This was full just a few minutes ago. Nani and Lani are in their cage. Nani's not been feeling too good. So we're kind of worried about her. So they're supervising from a distance. You can hear Lani.